Nokia 5700, lower block disassembly, and assembly hints. You will need the following tools: a Torx driver, a bit holder, a Torx plus size 5-bit, a torque driver, metal tweezers, the SS93, a dental pick, angle tweezers, and the SS45 camera removal tool. Open the battery cover and remove the battery if inserted. Unlock the bottom cover hace with this SS93. Turn the unit and unlock the rear snaps. Unlock the clips on the camera side. Remove the bottom cover hace. Remove the window camera hace. Unlock and remove the camera with the SS45. Remove the K-Mate music. Remove the K-Mate numeric, paying attention to the guide pins. Undo the screws in the order shown. And remove them. Undo the last two screws in the order shown and remove them, too. Gently separate the lower block from the upper block, starting at the shown side. Now, separate the other hinge side. Take care to the coax cable. Remove the D-cover numeric. Very gently open the coax connector. And the camera connector. Lift the camera housing from its position. Remove the PWB module. Separate the D-cover music from the upper block. Remove the IHF speaker. Remove the adhesive residues. Remove the microphone. The disassembly procedure is now finished. Assembly hints: always use a new upper IHF gasket. Ensure the correct position of the spring contacts when inserting the IHF speaker. Take special care to the correct position of the coax cable when fitting the D-cover music hace. Place the PWB module on the D-cover music, paying attention to the guide pins. Carefully close the coax cable connector. Note the correct position of the coax cable. Place the lower flex hace with the camera housing into its place, and close the connector. Fit the decover numeric hace. Fit the lower block to the hinge mechanical hace, starting on the shown side. Continue on the other side. Set the torque driver to the correct torque. Tighten the screws in the order shown, starting on the decover numeric side. Continue on the decover music side. Note the alignment tab of the camera when reassembling the unit. Insert the camera into its housing and secure it by pushing it into its place. Fit the window camera hace. Note its correct position. Fit the K-mate numeric paying attention to the guide pins. Fit the bottom cover hace. Finally, check the mechanical functionality of the hinge, and that no gaps remain.